Hey YouTube, I want to get on here and do a video. I'm going to be doing a Smokey glitter eye makeup tutorial. I have never done this before, so forgive me if I don't know all the terminology, but I just wanted to get on here and kind of play with it. I bought a palette and some glitter and wanted to do like a full-on glam makeup tutorial. This will be my first one, so I'm sorry for all you makeup gurus that are going to see this and just cringe probably, but hey, you got to start somewhere, right? Okay, so first what I'm going to start off doing is priming my face with this Instant Age Rewind from Maybelline. It's really pretty. They have all of these colors. And they have them listed on the back on what they are. This like a gold cream color right here, or you know what, I'm going to use this one. This one is the Come Hither. And I'm just going to tap that right in the middle and blend it. Like so, just so it'll blend better. And like I said, I never do makeup like this, but for New Year's, I think I'm going to be a little dramatic. Yeah. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and put in, I'm going to use this cream one up here, which is called Bare It All. And I'm going to go ahead and put this right on top. And I'm just going to blend it very well. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and do the same to the other eye, and then I will be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and finished the eyes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and put on my full glam makeup. So the first thing, like I said I did, was put my Instant Age Rewind primer. And the next thing I'm gonna do is get, or my foundation, which I use is the Fuera. And this one, I'm actually using the number 105, which is Sand. So I put my foundation on. The next thing that I'm gonna do is get my contour, and what I use is this LA Color contour stick, and currently I'm using the dark, and then I have my contour brush here. Concealer under my eyes. And I'm gonna put this. It's kind of like where you want things to be brighter. For me, I have 4 kids, so of course I'm gonna want to get rid of my bags. And what you're gonna want to do is draw an upside down triangle. Up here, down my nose, and then here. So once I have this where I want it, I'm gonna get my setting spray and I'm gonna wet my sponge. And I'm obsessed with this sponge that I purchased during, I purchased it at Walmart during Halloween because it looks like a witch's hat. Anyway, so what you're gonna do is go ahead and just blend that in. Okay, so now that that's done, I think I want to contour a little more. Okay, so now what you're gonna do next is, no ma'am. For me, I normally use the banana powder to bake my under eyes, but I am out and Amazon has not sent my package. It said it was coming before Christmas, but it's late, but hey. So what I'm gonna use is this e.l.f. high definition powder. Put it on and it just mattes out my face. But for this reason, I'm gonna go ahead and use it as to bake my under eyes. Okay, so now the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of this blush on top of here. And this one is the e.l.f. It's the Twinkle Pink. Okay. And then my favorite part is to blend and highlight. Okay, so I have my brush, my blending brush here, so I'm gonna go ahead and just... I'm actually in love with this highlighter that I purchased at Walmart, I wanna say. I'm not sure if it was Walmart, but it's the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Loose Highlighting Powder. And this one is in the number 689, which is written in the stars. And I love it. Look at that highlight. Is my eyelashes and then my eyebrows. I don't know if y'all know, but I have a video about my 4D silk fiber mascara I'm obsessed with, and do those. Now the last thing I'm gonna do is my eyebrows. It's actually this one, the Tint My 4-Tip Brow, and the tip looks like this. It's got the 4 prongs on it or whatnot. So anyways, this one's actually, I love it because it's a little bit thicker. Like, okay, yeah. So I think I'm gonna try on the brick and then just see what it looks like. So first I'm gonna outline my lips with this lip stain. Use my setting spray, and I'm just gonna spray everywhere. Hope everyone has a safe and happy New Year's. But yeah, that's it. Happy New Year's.